We've seen how attitudes get changed. Now we confront the most powerful and disturbing force in social psychology, the pressure of other people to make us conform and obey. Start with conformity, adjusting our behavior to match a group. In the 1950s, Solomon Asch ran a deceptively simple study. He showed people a line and asked which of three other lines matched it in length. The answer was obvious. But each participant was in a room with several others who were secretly in on the experiment and who deliberately gave the same wrong answer out loud. The real question was, would the participant go along with an answer they could plainly see was false? Astonishingly, many did. A large share of people conformed to the group's wrong answer at least once, denying the evidence of their own eyes rather than stand alone. Asch had shown how strongly we feel the pull to fit in, even against plain fact. We conform for two reasons. Sometimes because we think the group knows something we don't, and sometimes simply because we don't want to be the odd one out. If conformity is unsettling, obedience is genuinely chilling. Here we turn to the most famous and controversial experiments in psychology's history, conducted by Stanley Milgram. Milgram wanted to understand how ordinary people could participate in atrocities. So he set up a study where participants were instructed by an authority figure in a lab coat to deliver what they believed were increasingly severe electric shocks to another person, actually an actor who wasn't really being shocked. As the supposed shocks climbed to dangerous levels and the actor screamed and then went silent, the experimenter simply told participants to continue. The prediction from experts was that almost no one would go all the way. The reality was staggering. A substantial majority obeyed completely, delivering what they believed were potentially lethal shocks, simply because an authority told them to. These weren't cruel people. They were ordinary people, sweating and trembling and protesting, and obeying anyway. Milgram's work, for all the ethical controversy it later sparked, delivered one of the most important lessons in all of psychology. The capacity for harmful obedience lives not in a few monsters, but in the ordinary human response to authority and situation. It's a sobering reminder of the power of the situation over the person, and that power only grows when we move from one-on-one pressure to the behavior of whole groups. In the next segment, we'll see how being in a group changes us, sometimes for the worse.